How to change lock screen wallpaper automatically in Windows 11. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Windows Spotlight or a slideshow to keep your lock screen looking fresh. First, right-click on your desktop. Tap on Display Settings and select Personalize. From the left-hand menu, click Lock Screen. Under Personalize your lock screen, you'll see several options. If you want Windows to automatically display new wallpapers, click the drop-down menu and select Windows Spotlight. Windows will automatically download and rotate beautiful lock screen images. If you'd rather use your own photos, select Slideshow instead. Then click Add a folder and choose the folder that contains the pictures you want to use for your lock screen. Windows will automatically rotate through those images. You can also customize the slideshow settings by expanding the Advanced Slideshow Settings section and adjusting the available options to your preference. And that's it. You've successfully set your Windows 11 lock screen to change automatically. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials.